Hey guys, I'm at my campsite right now. Been a little while since I made a video last, and I want to make a review video today on a new knife I got. Here it is. It's SOG with SOG pocket knife. As you can see, SOG. Pretty badass. It says dull attack right there. It's sharp as hell, like real sharp. It's a pretty badass knife. As you can see, it got a pretty nice, like, sturdy edge. It's got where you can put some rope or string to it, so you can't lose it. I guess you wrap it around your wrist or whatever. It's got the pocket clip, but instead of it being like the knife on this side and the pocket clip there, it's the whole opposite way. So that's pretty cool. I paid $10 for this knife, and I like it. It's badass. But let's go see how sharp it is. Find a small piece of wood or something. Just use this piece right here. It's pretty dry wood. Go in the bulk. There we go. Now here's no bulk. As you see, we ripped it off. And we'll find a little bit of string right here. Just a normal piece of string. Try to cut the end off. Almost. As you can see, pretty much slice through it. If I had a better grip, if I wouldn't hold the camera, I could pull it and slice a lot easier. Yeah, this knife is a pretty badass knife. So, let me know what y'all think about it. Thanks. I'll have more videos coming out now, so stay tuned, guys. Thanks. God bless.